Welcome to Prevent Your Adventure. Tonight I am in Paris, Texas. And on the recommendation of the lady at my hotel, I am at High Cotton Kitchen. Third night in a row, I've been blessed with a phenomenal server, a very personable, very nice young lady. So I'm starting off, coming out in bits and pieces with that. Sorry, I should talk. That is fried cheese curds right there, with their zippy sauce, whatever that means. So I'm staying in Paris tonight. It's as close as I'll ever get to any Paris. I like it. It's kind of like a mustard sauce. This is a lot of cheese curds, and they're nicely done. I could sit here and make a meal out of these. Fried food, right on. So, cheese curds, good deal. I'll wait for the main meal. All right, my food has arrived. I ordered a fried chicken, along with coleslaw, and something I haven't had in a long time, ambrosia salad. Don't know if I've really ever seen that on a restaurant menu, but what do I know? Maybe I just don't go to places that serve ambrosia salad. All right, let's start off with a bite of coleslaw. Very creamy. Really finely chopped. I like that. Nice flavor. Ambrosia salad. My mother used to make ambrosia salad. I really used to enjoy it a lot. There's some nice flavor also. All right. Fried chicken with the creamy jalapeno gravy. Oh, there's some jalapeno there. Nice, moist piece of chicken. Very nice batter. I think they batter it themselves here. I'm liking it. Good first impression. Let's finish up, come back, and share my thoughts. All right. Before we wrap up, we got one more thing here. The lady at the hotel told me I should try this, and three ladies at the next table were raving about it. So I got a butter pecan bread pudding. Brooklyn, my server tells me I'm going to love it. Ooh, nice and soft. That's hot. Sorry. It went down a lot faster than I thought it would. It was hot, but really tasty. I know I don't ever bring her up, but my wife, who loved bread pudding and pecan pie, would have absolutely fallen in love with this thing. This was worth the wait. This is a perfect ending. Hit that one a little long. Okay, let me finish this up and come back and wrap up. Okay, let's wrap it up here at High Cotton Kitchen in Paris, Texas. Fried cheese curds were nicely done. There was a ton of them. There was a lot. Usually you get like small amounts. This was a lot. The fried chicken with the jalapeno creamy gravy was very tasty, very enjoyable, very nice piece of chicken. I really enjoyed the ambrosia salad. But even the coleslaw, which was so finely chopped, it made it different and good. So I liked all that. By far, the highlight of my evening, though, was third night in a row. I can't believe it. Third night in a row. The highlight was my server, Brooklyn. She just stood here, talked to me. 18-year-old girl. What do we have in common? Nothing. But so polite, and I made her keep talking because she has that beautiful Texas accent that I was just enjoying the accent. But anyhow, just a great girl, very personable, very pleasant, very nice, and just had what I thought was a really nice conversation, and I really enjoyed talking to her, and she just made it a much better experience. So let's give them a score here, 0 to 10. High Cotton Kitchen in Paris, Texas. I keep wanting to say Plano because I'm going through Plano tomorrow, but this is Paris. Paris put it over. I'm sorry, Paris. Brooklyn put it over the top. So we're going to go 8.2. Just a nice experience. So High Cotton Kitchen in Paris, Texas, 8.2.